Hello student, today I will discuss some of the questions of Olympiad. First, I discuss question number 1. So look at the question number 1. Select the correct water image. So which of the following water image is same as X? So so here look at this one. What is given in figure X is similar to 1D. Because in case of A and B, that is the semicircular part on the above and the lines on the below. In the same way, D is the correct answer. So D is similar to, so you do upside down of figure X and you can get the answer. So D is the answer. Next, read the following information carefully, answer the following questions. Karan and Karthik like maths but do not like science. Karthik and Shikha do not like Hindi but like English. Shikha and Sonal like math and science. Karan likes only one subject and Sonal does not like only English. So which of the following subject is liked by all the students? So all the student liked, I think 2A, math is liked by all students because math is common in all case. That is why math is the answer. Next question number 3, which number will replace the questions mark in the given number bond? So in the question mark you have to find out the numbers. So how can you find out? What is the relation among them? So look at 6, 4, 5, all are in the same line, and 3, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. So 3A, 7 is the answer. I think 7 is the answer. Which of the following will replace the question mark in the given number bond? Because 6 plus 4 plus 5 equal to give 15. Here 7, 8 whenever added gives 15. Here we need 15. So 7 plus 3, 10 plus 7. So 3A is the answer. Which of the following appears at the third position in which they occur in the dictionary? So carrot, camera, caram, carpenter, and cartoon. So whenever you find out in the dictionary, you must see the number in alphabetical order. So 4C, uh, caram. Caram come in the third position according to alphabetical order. So caram is the answer. In 5, In the certain code language, result is the code as the SDTTMS. How will punish be code in the same language? So C is the answer. So C is the answer. Next, select the figure from the option which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. So here also you see that there is a relation between A, B. Here the diagonals, not the angles, are changes. First angles goes on above, then goes on below. In this way, the angle moves, and at last the answer comes 6C. Six C is the answer. Khushbu is facing the amusement park. She turns in anti-clockwise direction to face the beach. What angle did she turn through? So Khushbu is facing the amusement park. She turns in anti-clockwise direction, so goes on anti-clockwise to face the beach. So uh, what angle did she turn? So 135-degree angle, I think, beach. So if you make the angle, then you can find out with the amusement park, beach make 135-degree angle. So 135 degree is the answer. You have a rough idea. Next one, there is a certain relationship between the figure and the step and number 1 and number 2 figure. Number 1 and number 2 established a similar relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the give option which replace question mark in the figure 4. So 1 and 2 have a relations. So only you see that is only changes upside down, above and below. Look at above square are changes on below, and only the shaded part also change. Only shaded part shading is changes. So in that case, I think 8 number D is the answer. Only changes the shading and you can get the answer. So D is the answer. Find the missing number if same rules is followed in all the three figures. So in math number 9, find the missing number if same rule is applied. So 38, 25, 9. What is the relation among them? So answer comes 9A. Math number 10. Count the number of cubes in the figure. If you count, then you get the answer 50. 50 is the answer. Number of square, if you count, then you get 50. Which the following figure is not exactly embedded in figure X as one of its part? The figure are given in here A, B, C, D. So D is the answer. D is not match up with it. So D is the answer. Next one, Rohit. In a line of 42 students, Raj ranked 16th from the top and Rohit ranked 11th from the bottom. How many students are between Raj and Rohit? 12B is the answer, 15. Which of the following Venn diagram best depicts the relationship among cook, girls and dancers? Cook, girls and dancers. So cook, girls and dancers relationship is A, because someone is cook, they may be girls or also the characteristic dancers. So I think A is the answer. Find out the odd one out. KNV, PSV, TWY, MPS. Which one is the right answer? T, W and Y. This is arranged in alphabetical order. Read the statement carefully and select the correct option. Highest common factor of 42 and 162 is 4. Highest common factor means HCF. So 2 is the factor of every odd number. So the two statement is given. One is HCF is given in second case. 2 is the factor of every odd number. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Now both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. The statement 1 true but 2 false. Statement 1 false but statement 2 is true. So 16B both 1 and 2 is false because 2 never be a odd number. Factor of every odd number. 2 is never be a factor of every odd number. So B is the wrong answer. Next, math number 13. There is some figure is given PQ. There is two pan here. In first pan there is weight given PQ, and on the right part there is 32 kg weight is given. The PP weight is given. RQ weight is given. Now find out the weight of R. So how can you find it? From P plus Q, you subtract R plus Q. So Q cancel and you get P plus R. Now from the 50 kg you subtract R plus Q and you get the answer. The answer is 17C. C is the answer. Find the area of the shaded figure. So 1 square is, this is the same rule applied. First find out the area of the boxes, and the boxes which is more than half you can take, half also you can take, but less than half never be taken. So in this way you can get the area of every square and then add them. So what is the answer? C. C is the answer. What will be the number in the start box? Start. 19B, I think the answer. What will be the number in the start box? 19B. 19 number math, B is the answer. 213860. Now divided by 37. Then you get a value. Now multiplied by 22. You get the value. So 19B. 19B is the answer. Next, Ankush drew the following figure on the piece of paper. What fraction of the figure is unshaded? Nineteen already done. And 20, the given table shows the number of tickets sold for a theatre show in the first 4 days of week. So on which day least number of tickets were sold. So change all the Roman number into normal numbers, Hindu or numericals, and then find out the value, and value is coming 20. C is the answer. The given graph shows the number of visitors in a zoo on 5 days of a week. So visitors of a zoo for 5 days of a week. So how many least people visited in the Wednesday than on Friday and Tuesday altogether? So 21D is the answer. How many people visited on Monday, Thursday and Friday together? So B is the answer. Now which of the following? So these are two of the answer, and you get the answer. 23. Which of the following number gives quotient as 45 when divided by 14? So divide the number, check the number, and you can get the number C. Anushka, drew the following figure on a piece of paper. What fraction of the figure is unshaded? So 24 is the Anushka, drew the following figure on the piece of paper. What fraction of the figure is unshaded? So I think 24. Answer will be find out. 24 answer will be find out D. So D is the answer, 2 by 3. So 25, the sum of 7 tenth, 2100 and 45 tenth is 7 tenth mean 7 by 10, 2100 mean 21 by 100 and 45 tenth mean 45 by 10. Now add all of them and change into decimals. Now 25, 25, 25 is the answer. 54.1. Now 26. Find out the area of shaded region. APQRS is a square and TUVW is a rectangle. Find the area of the shaded square. So from total rectangle you subtract the inner rectangle. So 26 C is the answer. Which of the following option decimals are regarded as in a descending order? So 27 descending order, 27 C. C is the answer. So C is the answer. So 28. How many least number of squares must be shaded so that the PQ become a line of symmetry? So 28. A is the answer. A is the answer. So now 28 done. How many 8s are there in 203 by 20? First you added all of them. Now you divide it by 8. Now 29. B is the answer. If we subtract the sum of this one plus this one from the sum of this one, the answer is first you add both terms and then second you add both the terms and then subtract it. So 30 C is the answer. 31 refers to the given line. There is two watch is given. How long did Sonam study? So you have to find out 31. Find out the time duration of first, second, see the time, what is the time, and then subtract both of them. 31D. 31D is the answer. Change the hour into minute also. Now the smallest 6-digit number that can be formed using 926031. Each digit only use only once. So very easy answer. 32B is the answer. The product of a number is 234 is x. Taken 58 away from x gives 2984. Find the number. So to product of a number and 234. So 234 into number. So number you take it a. So 234 into a equal to x. I have taken 58 away from x. So x minus 58 equal to 294. So from here you find out the x. Now x put in the above equation and you can get the answer 33. B is the answer. Find the difference between the place value of 5s. So find out the place value in figure 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, like 2 lakhs 57,578. So there are 2 5. Find out the place value and subtract it. So you can get the answer 34 C. Thirty-five is the value of 13 into 5 plus 63 divided 7 plus 12 minus 9 is equal to, according to Bodmer's rule, you can solve it. This is the math of simplification. So 35 answer is 50, 67 is the answer. So 67 is the answer. There are 24 rows and guava trees in a farm. Each row has 415 trees and trees of 5 rows are cut down. The total number of remaining guava tree in the farm. So there are 24 rows of guava trees in a farm. Each row has 415 trees. So total number of trees equal to 415 into 24. Now subtract 5 trees of 5 rows. So 5 rows trees, 1 row trees is number of trees is 415. So multiply 415 by 5 and then subtract it. 36. C is the answer. Thirty-seven. Porama mixes for 1.45 kg of pink candy with 2.15 kg of orange candy and pack them in the boxes of equal weight. If candy is in each box weight 0.18 kg, how many boxes are packed by Porama? So 37. A is the answer. A bucket can hold 23.65 liter of water. How many such bucket will require to hold this water? So divide it and you can get the answer. 38 C. C is the answer. 39. Survin used 4 by 9 of her money to buy 4 identical cups and 3 identical bowls. She used 1 by 3 of the remaining amount to buy 6 identical hair pins and 2 identical hair combs. She had rupees 1330 left. How much money did she have to have at first? So answer is 39. 39A is the answer. Each door of a high-rise building is fitted with 20 doors. and there are 12 floors in each building. There are 25 such buildings in the complex. The total number of doors fitted in the complex. Each door of a high-rise building is fitted with 20 doors each floor. So 20 doors in one floor, there are 12 floors. So 12 into 20, multiply it. The total numbers of doors you can find out. There are 25 such building in complex. So again multiply the matter by 25, you can get the answer 40. 40 C. C is the answer. Parul has a storybook of 72. Math number 43. Parul has a storybooks of page 72. If he takes 2 minutes 15 seconds to read a page, then how long will she take to read the complete book? So one page is given, so you have to find out 72 page, so multiply it and you can get the answer. So 43. You can easily find out the answer. Next, 44. In an examination center, there were 108 girls and 216 boys. What fraction of total students were girls? So first find out the total 108 plus 216, add it, and then find out the fraction of girls. That means 108 by total. So you can get the answer 44A. 44A is the answer. Next 45. Four poles are stuck in the square ground of side 30 meters at the four corners. A rope fence is to be put around the pole. What length of the rope will be required for fencing? So find out the perimeter. So square perimeter which is 4 into side. So do it. Side you can find out easily. Side is 30 meter. So 4 into 30 mean 120 is the answer. So 45. 120 is the answer. Forty-seven. Karthik went to the amusement park with his wife and two children and aged 5 years and 7 years. They entered at 10:30 and left at 1:05. How much did the Karthik pay? So entry fees is given. So find out the time, multiply it and get the answer. 47. D is the answer. The given pictograph shows the distance of cities PQRS from the city X. So city PQRS is given, is represent 10 km. So P is 40 km, Q is 60 km, R is 30 km and S is 50 km. So now you have to find out which of the following road maps show the correct position of cities PQRS. So you can easily find out now. So 48 is D is the answer. Find the value of P minus Q into R minus S. So first, from 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to find out the value of PQRS. So you can easily find out. These are all equations. So from equation you have to find out PQRS and then put the value on the above equation, P minus Q into R minus N, R minus S. Then you can easily find out the value is A. Answer is A.